Hello everyone, welcome to the Science Olympiad Foundation. Today we will tell you about the various scholarships offered by SOF, which are mentioned in the SOF Olympiad Brochure, which you must have received if you have or are going to register for the Olympiads. First is the SOF Defense Services Academician Scholarship, DSAS. Under this scheme, SOF provides cash awards or scholarships worth Rs 5,000 each to 260 academically brilliant Indian students from serving or retired defense services and internal security service families. Schools may send a proposal nominating only one student for consideration for DSAS. Nominations should be submitted by 31st December 2024. Beyond that, nominations will not be entertained. The second one is SOF Academic Excellence Scholarship, AES. This scholarship recognizes the performance of students who achieve excellence in Olympiad exams in different subjects and provides cash awards or scholarships worth Rs 5,000 each to 260 students. Apart from the scholarship, students will get a trophy and a citation. Third is the SOF Girl Child Scholarship Scheme, GCSS. Under this scholarship scheme, SOF offers Rs 5,000 to 300 girls candidates in India who are academically inclined and come from financial weaker sections of the society. Nominations for the same should be submitted by 31st December 2024. Hope this video clarifies all your queries regarding scholarships given by SOF. Thank you.